A store word work very similar to load word, with one difference that the direction is the opposite direction. So it's gonna take something from your register and copy that to a specific location on your memory. So again, we have three cases for that, and we're gonna look at them one by one. So the first case is that we are giving a register and a label. So the syntax is actually exactly the same as load word. This label gonna be the basically the data that you want to copy to your memory. So we have the register 13, so this is a register 13. So when you are doing a store word, we are copying this data to our memory. Where are we going to copy? This label gonna basically point that or reference that. So this X, let's say if you have defined it from beginning in your code in your data section, it's pointing to this location. After running this, basically you're gonna copy this content to your X, to that location, as you can see here. So that's first case using a label. The second case, again, it's similar to the load word. Instead of a label, we are giving here a register, and that register is a pointer to the memory location that we want to basically save the content into. So this RB here, as an example, here we have 23, and we can see on the bottom of the screen that 23 is having 1001 0000. So basically this is gonna be our destination, because that is the content of register 23 on our registers, and we're gonna target that address on our memory. So this is our memory and this is the address. So we're gonna be writing stuff here in this location, and register 13 gonna be the content that we're gonna write into. So basically, so this content on register 13 is gonna be copied to this location on our memory. So this is basically a pointer again. And that's our second case. So third case is very similar, again with the load word. It's the same thing, we are doing a register, but then this time we are giving it the offset also. So register 13, again, gonna be the data that we want to copy or the data that we want to save. And register 23 gonna be the content of that, gonna be the basically the base of our offset. So we have here, so that's gonna be the content on register 23. And we are offsetting 4 from that in a positive direction. So it's gonna be 1001 004. So basically this is the location that we are going to write to, and take the content of register 13 and we just copy that to this location. So that's the basically the last case for save word, that we are using a register as a pointer with the offset. Also, we can do negative indexing. So as you saw before that here we had like a 4, we can have a -4 also, and it works the same. And this works for both load word and save word. There is not much to it, so let's look at register 23, for example. If the content was this location, so as in previous slides, it's pointing to this. If there is a -4, we basically gonna take that number and -4, or you just go one back if you have already written off all your memory address as a basically kind of like an array. So we're gonna get to this location, and there is not much to it. So basically this is the content, we're gonna be copied here, and we don't have negative on our addresses. We don't have negative, right? These are all positive numbers, so you can do -4.